Welcome to Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai. There are many cooking schools in Chiang Mai offering classes in Thai food, but Scenic Thai Cooking School is more than just a school, rather an extension of a home and an opportunity to share Thai cooking and culture.
Wow, and smell different. Stringiness, strong taste, strong smell, but type not so strong. Sometimes you need to see because someone asks me, can you use substitute? No. Okay. We like to show you like this because it's quite similar.
We offer innovative concepts and service at a competitive price. In this Thai cooking school, we bring you to the secrets of Thai cooking with my unique style and methods.
And the sauce is made from palm sugar. Today we have palm sugar, peanut, coconut, different.
We will show you step by step how to cook delicious and authentic Thai meals. The school is located only a few minutes walk from Tha Pae Gate in the old city of Chiang Mai.
Garlic, okay, garlic first. Until smell like this. And then all the vegetable and one, two, three. Noodle and water. So you add the 1, 2, 3 water. And then all noodle for you no water. Then all. Okay, and then put it down.
Scenic Thai Cooking School in Chiang Mai offers day and evening classes taught in the relaxing atmosphere in the traditional style Thai house.